on the add-on, you're going to see, if you go to add-ons, Gorilla Sheets, if you are still using the old Gorilla Development ID, then you're going to see an option that says here, Legacy, US/Canada, sellers move to new Gorilla ID. If you do not see this, you're already using the new ID, so there's nothing to worry about. If you do see this menu, click on the link that we've provided, and this will preload the development ID so that you can authorize it directly in Seller Central. So rather than just having to copy it and type it out, for example, if I want to click on this link right here, it's going to automatically load the page and create that new authorization that you need for Gorilla ROI USA. So same process, click on next, and then you'll get your seller ID again and the authentication token. And with that information, you just have to plug it in to the menu. So once you get that info, so open up the Gorilla menu again, then go to the legacy, click on this. The seller ID is going to be the same. The only thing that you have to change is the token, and all you do is whatever was in here before, just delete it, and then copy and paste whatever information, whatever the new token that you received is here. So let's just type in whatever, and then click save. So as an example, once it's saved, you'll see that in the menu, that legacy option is no longer visible, which means that the new developer ID for Gorilla ROI USA has been updated, and you are now good to go on our new ID. And all the data should sync without issues. So to do that, just do a quick test. For example, like if I wanted to get the, I've got a SKU list here. So if I wanted to do a asyn list, Gorilla_asyn list, and you should see all the information populate again. So it should be a seamless sync.